Good afternoon, everyone. As you can see, some of the topics, some of the alphabets, some of words are written on the screen. So, today we are going to discuss one topic of computer. Sorry, actually, I was not able to see. Right. Why I have written before? Because you should know that decimal, binary, octal या octa, hexadecimal, right? आखिर what is this? आखिर ये है क्या, क्यों है, कंप्यूटर में इसका क्या काम है? So as you all know कि बहुत सुना होगा आपने, एसएसटी पढ़ी होगी, साइंस पढ़ा होगा, ये आविष्कार हुआ, अर्ली मैंस ने ये किया, केव्स में रहते थे, फायर का इन्वेंशन हुआ, समथिंग समथिंग. सो फॉर काउंटिंग पर्पस व्हाट वी डू, वी नीड सम नंबर्स टू काउंट. तो हम काउंट करके उनको बता देते हैं कि इतना है, उतना है, राइट? That is. But in computers, as computer is an electronic device and it understands only 0 and 1. It understands the language of 0 and 1, and that is called as binary language. Right. So in our computer, our first chapter is number system. So we are going to talk about number system. Number system. In this number system, as you can just have a look over your chapter, it is said that as there were different types of number systems which were introduced for passage of time, such as decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Is it so? So number system, what is number system? It is a set of values to represent different quantities. कुछ sets of values होती हैं जो कि अलग अलग क्वांटिटीज को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए होती हैं. जैसे आपकी क्लास में कितने बच्चे हैं, ठीक है? किसी भी, जैसे अब आप कोई सीरियल देख रहे हो तो कितने लोग उस सीरियल को, जैसे आप अपनी वीडियोस देखते हो तो अब ये कितने लोगों ने देखी, नंबर्स, एक रेशियो, एक स्पेसिफिक टर्म बताता है, राइट? तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द कन्वर्जन टॉपिक. कन्वर्जन टॉपिक ऑफ नंबर सिस्टम. ठीक है. अब कन्वर्जन जानने से पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नो दैट डेसिमल हैज अ बेस 10, बाइनरी विद बेस 2, ऑक्टा विद बेस 8, बिकॉज ये 0 से 7 तक की डिजिट्स को लेकर नंबर्स बनाता है. डेसिमल 0 से 9 तक, मतलब 10 डिजिट्स, राइट? हेक्साडेसिमल 0 से 9 एंड A to F. अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा इधर ABCD क्यों हमने लिखी. इज इट सो? सो नाउ these are the bases. Means if we are going to write any number of octal number system, then we have to write base as 8. In the same manner, if we are writing any decimal number, we have to write base 10. If we are writing any binary number, we have to write its base 2. You might be confused. I am saying I have to write, but where to write? How to write? So we are going to discuss on this only. Let's have a look. So just see 0 to 9, then after A to F you will make A as 10, B as 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. This is the basic that you should learn it. चलिए जल्दी से रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. What is the base of decimal? 10. What is the base of binary? 2. What is the base of octa? 8. What is the base of hexa? 0 to 9. A to F. Base is 16. What is the base of hexa? 16. Clear? Now, if we need to convert from binary to decimal, octa to decimal, hexa to decimal, check. First of all, I am going to tell you how to convert from any specific to decimal. Decimal means base 10. Is it so? अब यहाँ पर क्या? What will be here? Anything. Binary, octa, hexa, जो कुछ भी आपको दिया हो. For example, let's discuss with the first topic, binary. Just see if I have this question. Are you able to see or not? Should move like this. Now it is clear to you all? Yes. See. If it is written like this, then how, if we have to convert this into decimal, convert into decimal. Now we all know that what is the base of decimal? 10. And if it is written here base 2, like this we will write the base. If it is here written if base 2, then which number system is this? Binary number system. आई बात समझ में? ये कैसा नंबर सिस्टम है? बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. इसको हमें किस में चेंज करना है? डेसिमल में चेंज करना है. देखते कैसे करते हैं. बेस क्या है? 2. हर एक डिजिट को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके एज इट इज लिख दीजिए प्लस साइन के साथ. Done? Like this you have to write